Hi students, my name is Zibanas. I'm handling science subject for you all of class 4th standard. Students, last session in the last video I have explained you the detail about the water, right? That chapter name was each drop. So let's start practicing. Let's continue with the practice of other chapter, that is water pollution. Water pollution and conservation. This chapter detail I have explained you all the detail on this chapter. Go to the video and check out. Okay. Now let's start with fill up the blanks of this chapter, which are very important for your FA and essay. Okay, so let's start with the fill up the blank. First, fill up the blank. If the water is not pure and not fit for drinking, it means that water is dash. What it means? It means that water is polluted. What does it mean? It means that water is polluted. Okay, so next question. Disease like dash is spread through water. Which disease is spread through water? Yes, cholera. Disease like cholera is spread through water. Diseases like cholera is spread through water. Next, full form of ORS is dash, that is oral rehydration solution. What it is? Oral rehydration solution. The full form of ORS is oral rehydration solution. Next, to avoid dash, the mixture of salt, sugar, lemon juice, boiled in cool water should be given to the patients. To avoid what? To avoid dehydration. To avoid what? Dehydration. The mixture of salt, sugar, lemon juice, boiled in cold water should be given to the patient. Then, when we boil water, all the dash will die. All things, that is all bacterias will die off. When we boil the water, all bacterias will die. Next, loss of water from the body is called dash. Loss of water from the body is called dehydration. What it is called? It is called as dehydration. Next, treating dehydrated patients with a mixture of salt, sugar in boiled and cooled water is called rehydration. What it is called? Rehydration. That is, we are putting the water content again back to our body. It is called as dehydration, removing. That is, water is removed. Water is removed is dehydration. Water is put on, it is rehydration. Okay, understood? Then next, the chemical dash is added to the drinking water to purify it from germs. Which chemical we are putting? We can put chlorine. The chemical chlorine is added to the drinking water to purify it from germs. Okay. These are the few fill up the blanks. You have to learn. Write it in your class workbook. It is very important for your FA and essay. So, let's go with another bit, that is match the following. See, what is ORS? It is oral rehydration solution. ORS is what? Oral rehydration solution. Then, what is rehydration? Treating dehydrated patient is rehydration. Dehydrated patients. What is dehydration? Loss of water from the body is dehydration. Then, why do we use chlorine? To purify, that is drinking water. To purify, that is drinking water, or to kill the germs, we use, that is chlorine. Then, reusing of water minimizes the scarcity of water. Reusing of water minimizes the scarcity of water. Then, cholera is a disease caused by water pollution. What it is? It is a disease caused by water pollution. Okay. This is very important bit. You have to learn and write it in your classwork book. Okay. We will go for next bit, that is answer the following in one sentence. Which is the chemical used to kill the germs of drinking water? Which is that chemical? Yes, it is chlorine. Chlorine is the chemical that is used to kill the germs of the drinking water. What is ORS? ORS is oral rehydration solution. What it is? It is oral rehydration solution. How can we prepare ORS at home? How you will prepare? You will mix salt, sugar, lemon juice in a boiled and cool water. By this way, you can prepare, that is ORS. What is dehydration? Excessive loss of water from the body is called dehydration. Excessive loss of water from our body, that is dehydration. How do we say that water is polluted? If water is not pure and not fit for drinking, it means that water is polluted. If it is not pure, it is not fit for drinking, we will say water is polluted. Okay. Then these are the few one line answers, one sentence answers. You have to learn it, understand, learn it properly, write it neatly. Okay. Then next. Answer the following. How water gets polluted? Dirt that comes from washing clothes and utensils, pesticides, fertilizers, industrial waste makes the water polluted. What it is? That is dirt that comes from washing clothes and utensils, pesticides and fertilizers, industrial waste makes water polluted. Next question. What are the diseases caused by water pollution? Vomitings, cholera, diarrhea are some diseases caused by water pollution. Vomitings, cholera, diarrhea are some diseases caused by water pollution. What is ORS? It is a oral rehydration solution given to the patient suffering from dehydration. If the patient is suffering from dehydration, this ORS solution is given. Oral rehydration solution. It rehydrates. Okay. Rehydrates our body. So it is oral rehydrate. Oral means what? It is given from your mouth. That is oral. From your mouth, we are giving, that is some water content which provides, that is dehydration, which provides, that is rehydration. Then next, how can we purify the polluted water? How can we purify? We can purify the water by boiling the water, which kills the germs present in it. First, we can boil the water which kills the germs. If the water contains full of germs, what we will do? We will boil the water. It becomes, that is pure water. Then use of alum is in Hindi we will say fitakdi, that is one stone which takes all the dust particles from the water. Use of alum removes the dirt from the water. Use of alum, what it does? It removes all the dirt from the water. Then next, chemicals like chlorine can also be added to the drinking water, which kills all kind of germs present in the water. Which chemical? Chlorine is used. And in order to purify the water, we use, that is strainers, remove the mud particles which are visible. It removes all, that is mud particle or all heavier particles, where we use, that is strainer. In this way we can purify the water. In this way you can purify the water. Then next question. Write any 2 steps taken to prevent sources of water from the polluting. taken to prevent source of water from polluting. What you should do? Stop throwing the plastic bags and things into the rivers or lakes. This is one prevention. We have to stop throwing all the plastic bags and things into the rivers and lakes. Next, stop dumping industrial waste, chemical fertilizers into the river and seas. These are the two precautions we can take. These are the two steps or two precautions we can take in order to prevent, that is, water pollution. Water pollution can be prevented by these two steps. There are many steps. I have asked you only two steps. Write the two steps. Okay. Now, what are next question? What are the effects of water pollution? Water pollution causes diseases like cholera, rehydration, etc. It causes diseases like cholera, rehydration, etc. It causes aquatic death. It causes death aquatic animals due to the contamination of water. It causes what? Death of aquatic animals. If we drink water containing fluorine, mercury, arsenic and lead, it causes, that is, deadly diseases. If the water contained this all things, that is fluorine, mercury and arsenic, it leads to many deadly diseases which may lead to our death also. So these are the effects of water pollution. So these are the few question answers. You have to learn, write it properly, learn it properly and submit me, learn. This is very important for your FAs and essays. Students, your exam will be conducted. You have to learn these answers, learn it properly. Okay. So if you want the detailed explanation of this chapter, you can go on to the video which have been uploaded, learn the details, and even these are the question answers. Match the following, fill up the blanks. These are helpful for your FA and essay. Hope you have understood this. So take care. Bye students.